if you make my job in that regard difficult, I will make things difficult on you. Do you understand what I'm saying?
I don't understand.
Mr. Gallup, welcome. You're here for a 9:30 hearing. Mr. Brown, are you ready on the 9:30 matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Roller, are you ready as well?
Yes, Judge.
The court then calls the matter of People versus John Adam Gallup. This is file number 25-6850FH.
For the record, Your Honor, Mike Rowe on behalf of the people.
Larry Brown on behalf of Mr. Gallup.
Thank you. So, Mr. Gallup, we're here for a status conference again. Have you been able to maintain contact with Mr. Brown since our last hearing?
Yeah.
I'm glad to hear that. Then, Mr. Brown, what should the court be aware of about the background of this case and how we should be proceeding today?
Your Honor, I have spoken with Mr. Gallup about this. There is currently two alternative plea offers. The first is to plead as charged as a habitual third. The second would be if he could pay restitution in the amount of, I believe, $825, then it would be dropped to a habitual second. Mr. Gallup has chosen to reject those offers and request that we proceed to trial.
Are those accurate plea offers from the people?
That was correct, Your Honor.
And can I presume your agreement for the latter, if it was going to be dropped to a habitual second, would be if restitution was paid before sentencing?
At or before sentencing, yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Gallup, did you hear the terms of those plea agreements?
Yeah, I did.
Do you understand the terms?
I understand that. I feel like they're trying to set me up for additional crimes.
Mr. Gallup, the question is straightforward, and so I'm going to ask it again. Did you hear the plea agreement?
The plea agreement would be to get me to admit to suing. I did too.
Mr. Gallup, this is not a difficult proposition. If you intend on making it difficult, I'm going to react in kind, and things are going to be difficult for you. The law requires a clear record to be made, and I intend to do that. If you make my job in that regard difficult, I will make things difficult on you. Do you understand what I'm saying?
I don't understand.
Here's the clear answer then, Mr. Gallup, and listen closely, because this is what you should understand. If you make things difficult to where I can't perform my function in making a clear record, I'm going to view that as a violation of your bond. And if I view that as a violation of your bond, I'm going to consider it contempt of the court, meaning my job is to make a clear, clean record on all court proceedings. If you make that job impossible, I view that as contempt, and I'm going to revoke your bond, and you're going to sit in the jail. If you're sitting in the jail where I have a court officer with me at all times when you're brought up from the jail, I'm confident that we'll be able to make a clear record. If you make it hard for me to make a clear record while we're on this Zoom hearing, I'm going to view that as a problem. Do you now understand what I've said?
Okay.
Is that a yes?
Yes, I understand.
Mr. Gallup, the questions are straightforward and they're clear. And I'm asking them because it is imperative that we have a clear record. So the question is this: did you hear the plea agreement that was offered?
Yes.
Do you understand the terms of the plea agreement?
Yes, I understand.
And did you wish to reject those terms and ask for a jury trial?
Yes, I do.
You understand that if you ask for a jury trial, you're entitled to it?
Yes, I understand that.
And do you understand that if you demand to have that jury trial, after today, I'm not going to accept any plea for any reason from you. The jury will simply determine the issues. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand that.
Do you have any questions about any of that?
No, I don't.
Mr. Rolla, how long do you think you need?
Well, if we can get a jury picked in the morning, one day. I mean, again, the court knows sometimes it takes longer than that. I would anticipate probably one day.
The court's going to set a one-day jury trial, and because I'm setting it for one day, I expect counsel to be quick in picking a jury if you need to. Obviously, you both have the entitlement to peremptory challenges and any challenges for cause. However, you're telling me how long you need for your case, and I'm going to expect the attorneys to get the case done in that time. Any questions about that, Mr. Rolla?
No, not at all, Your Honor.
Any questions about that, Mr. Brown?
No, Your Honor.
In terms of timeliness and how often you or how long you need to prepare, Mr. Rolla, are you ready for trial as soon as the court can set it?
It's going to be pretty much on the court docket as long as you give us at least 30 to 60 days, but I don't think that's going to be an issue considering I know the court's calendar.
Mr. Brown, are you ready to proceed whenever the court has a date available?
Yes, Your Honor.